What is up, shadows? Right now this is a video about how to build a gaming PC cheap. I'm not gonna be doing none of the building because I don't have none of the parts yet. As you see, this is my list, and you can see the title of the list and the video. But if you see down here where you see all the money thing, that I'm gonna be adding all that up, and by the end of the video you'll see how much all this will cost added up. So I've searched all these. I'm on if you see up here, I'm on an ATI video card, and I can see most of these are fans, or they are video cards, graphics cards. Actually, this far I found a $6 one that, but I am not on my computer. If I was, then you would know, because you'll see a whole different layout on the bottom right down here. And you'll see games. This is on my mom's computer, and my mom and my dad's and my sister's. My computer is destroyed. Well, not destroyed. I'm trying to figure out how to fix it. The video, when I turn it on, the video won't, the screen won't display, it won't beep, it'll just go, it'll like just make the noise when you turn it on. But anyway, guys, I am doing this so you won't have to do the math. You could check if I did the math wrong. This ain't all of it. This is just the first four ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want an ATI video card right now, and I'm trying to find the cheapest one. I'm actually not looking at these. I'm trying to actually find cheap ones. Like this was a I was looking for a GeForce 9800, and I found one only $6. Why would I spend $250 for one that I can just get one for $6 off of eBay? Yes, I know some of these might be messed up, but I will be right back when I'm done looking at all the stuff. The list will be in the description. I will pull up an image of what my my case is gonna be, my tower case. And when all that will be done by the end of the video, I will be telling you that I'll be telling you about tower case, that it doesn't matter or anything. Like well, it does matter, but I'll be telling all that in the end of the video. I know I'm speaking loud because I'm home alone. I like making videos on my home alone, because my parents will be like, "Oh, who's he talking to? We ain't got no friends." Blah 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 blah. But this is gonna be, that's cool. I'll be showing you this at the end of the video, so I'll be right back. I love these pictures. What? No. I'm looking at the computer. Sweet. I'm starting to get hungry. Oh, now you're just spying on me. Wait. Yeah, that's right. Keep spying. I'm actually looking at this. Okay, guys. I'm back. I got all this. I forgot to name these. I think I remember those, but I'm just gonna do the math. So I'm just gonna search calculator. Oh, I spelled that wrong. And so I was not looking at pictures of kittens or worms. I did get hungry a little. So let's see, 6, 18. I'm just gonna resume when I'm at the end of all of this. So there you go, guys. a gaming PC under $600. At least it doesn't cost $1,000. I added all this up and got this. See, that's what I did. Now the computer case. Gaming computer case. If you don't want to do all this, and just click the link in the description and it will take you to a website that shows you what's it called, gaming computers. Or you can just go to or you can just buy a normal computer. These cost a lot of money. Well, not really if I'm spending $500 on just a computer. But these are just cases for your tower. These should, like, you could just get a normal case. It doesn't have to be gaming. But to be honest, I like this one. But or you could just type in computer cases, and if there's not much of a difference, but they cost a little bit less. If you got, see, I just typed in computer case and this showed up. That's a nice one too. Let's see, the gaming. If you just want a black one, like just a plain black computer case. Okay, black computer case. Then you just get a plain black computer case, which they're gonna have, like, see, they're gonna have different color. Okay, I know I searched up computer case. Why did I get that? Oh, travel wheeled computer thing. There's this. I might get a normal one like this, and like pay someone $50 to like put that on the side. But it will be cheaper to get this one than that one. But that is it, guys. Thank you for looking. Actually, I'm gonna add up. I'm gonna add this to this plus I don't know how much it. $8.99. 80, right? $89. $89.99. $596.72. Still under $600. So the highest, possibly the lowest you could get on a gaming computer is around around 200. My brother got a gaming computer, but he got his for free. Well, not free. My dad paid like $98 because he worked with a guy. But I am working on my own, no help. Gonna probably mess up the motherboard and to buy a whole $60 new one. But this list will be in the description, and you will be able to get it yourself. The website, you just go to alienware.com. Don't know why I spaced it all out, but you just go to Alienware and get a gaming computer, or you could go to Razer. I'm pretty sure they got gaming computers. Origin. If anyone knows a gaming computer